Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Mifi and your phone. This gives you a live hotspot to work with. Once the Mifi shows a steady signal, make sure you know the SSID and password printed on the device or shown on its display, because you will need them immediately. On your phone, open Wi-Fi settings and scan for networks. This is how your device will discover the Mifi. Do this now so you can move on to pairing without interruption. You tap the Mifi SSID in the Wi-Fi list and enter the password shown on the device. Type carefully because passwords are case-sensitive and a single typo will block access. Once you hit connect, the phone negotiates a secure link and requests an IP address. This takes a few seconds. Make sure to watch for the Wi-Fi connected status and the data icon so you know the phone received a network address and can begin sending traffic through the Mifi. You should immediately verify connectivity by loading a web page or running a quick speed test. This confirms routing and DNS are working through the Mifi. If the page fails, restart the Mifi, toggle your phone's Wi-Fi off and on, and re-enter the password because most issues are credential or negotiation related. Make sure to check the Mifi's data balance and signal strength if problems persist. Since low allowance
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.